You upload YouTube Shorts and they get 0, 2, or 5 views? You think YouTube hates your channel? No, this is actually part of the 2026 algorithm. In this video, I'll explain the real reason why Shorts get stuck at 0 views, especially on new channels, and exactly what to do to fix it, step by step. In 2026, YouTube does not push every short immediately. Your short first goes to a small test audience. If people don't watch the first 2 seconds, YouTube stops distribution. Low views does not mean bad content. It means bad first seconds. New channels are intentionally restricted. YouTube wants to see consistency, not viral luck. First 7 to 14 days equals observation period. Views stay low on purpose. First 2 to 7 seconds kill 90% shorts. Wrong. Slow intro, logo animation, hi guys, correct, shock line, question, visual action. Example, stop scrolling. This is why your shorts are failing. Uploading the same clip again, even from your own channel, is reused content. Avoid same AI video with new title, same story with minor edits. You are not shadow banned. YouTube doesn't shadow ban new creators. It delays testing. 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. is the best time to post. Post 1 short per day. Use same niche, same format, same character or story style. Strong first 2 seconds. Don't delete old shorts. Consistency unlocks reach.